All right. What's up, guys? Today I wanted to eat some Chinese food. I don't want to go to the restaurant and buy Chinese food, so I went to Costco to buy Chinese food. Yes, Costco sells Chinese food. Yeah, that's right. So I decided to buy me some dumpling. The dumpling I got is called Ling Ling. This dumpling right here. Chinese dumpling. Okay, this is my dumpling here, and I went and I stopped by Marshall's, which Marshall have this spicy and sweet soya. Is a dumpling sauce. Right? Shake it up. All right. Okay. And my dumpling, right? This is what I want for dinner. I want Chinese dumpling. I think this should be enough, right? Yeah, this should be enough. All right, that's it right there. And you can see I'm not using no chopstick. I don't know how to use one, but I'm using a fork. All right, let me see what's going on here now. It looked good. And this is a chicken and vegetable dumpling. And it's all natural. All natural. Yeah. So I'm not going to the Chinese restaurant. I'll bring the Chinese restaurant to me. This is good. This is very good. So we decided to go to Costco, look for the Ling Ling. Ling Ling dumpling. And then we start speaking Chinese afterwards. I'll finish this here. Start speaking Mandarin. Yeah. Anyway, guys, it's a spew. Again, I'm at food tasting, and I'm doing Chinese dumpling. The sauce, excuse me, this sauce is sweet and spicy, but it's really good. It makes a dumpling taste so good. Like something I would love to eat more often. Ling Ling dumpling. Ling Ling dumpling. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, man, and just remember to share, like, comment. I'd love to hear from you guys. Okay, and if you're not a member, please subscribe. Okay, man? Subscribe, man. I need you to subscribe, all right? Don't forget. And I'm gonna eat more Ling Ling. This is so good. This is so good. It's worth the money. I think a bag of dumpling is about, what? I can't remember. But it's not expensive. You gotta afford it. Alright? Look at your bag. How much you think? If the Ling Ling is good. Alrighty? Have a great one, guys.